How to install the WhatsApp app on an Android phone. So guys, I'll show you 2 ways to install WhatsApp. The first one is very simple. Open the Play Store. After that, search for WhatsApp. Just tap install. But make sure you also set up WhatsApp because it only works properly after setup. I'll explain the setup steps next. Now, if you want to use 2 different simple WhatsApp on one phone, then go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and open Advanced Features. Now scroll again and find Dual Messenger, then open it. Turn on the WhatsApp toggle. Tap Install. Now your second WhatsApp is installed and will set it up properly. Open WhatsApp. Tap Agree and Continue. Add your second phone number. Then tap Next. Now you need to verify your number. For this, choose Try Another Way. Select Receive SMS. Tap Continue. You'll get a code and it will verify automatically. Next, allow contacts and media. Allow contacts so you can message your friends. Allow photos and media too. Now in profile info, type your name or anything you like. Then tap Next. You can also add an email if you want, but I'll skip it for now. And that's it, your WhatsApp is ready to use. Got any problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.